Hey, what's up guys? Andy here, and in today's video we're going to do a quick comparison review between ExpressVPN and VyprVPN. So first we'll start off with some of the general capabilities of each. Now, both VPNs do a great job at getting around geo-blocked content from Netflix. All you have to do is connect in their US servers and enjoy unlimited access to the entire US Netflix library. Not bad. And both VPNs also do a great job of bypassing the Great Firewall of China. Just be sure to note that ExpressVPN includes this feature in their basic subscription, but VyprVPN only includes their Chameleon protocol in their premium packages. Just something to be aware of. So now in terms of security, both VPNs have AES 256-bit encryption, a kill switch, and several security protocols to choose from. The only difference here is that VyprVPN has a NAT firewall, while ExpressVPN can have multiple users on the same IP address, so it doesn't need to have the NAT firewall. Now let's discuss some of their differences. So in terms of speed, ExpressVPN won with slightly higher speed, although Vypr wasn't too far behind. The two VPNs connected to Netflix and streamed shows without any lag or buffering issues. And as for the size of their server network, ExpressVPN does have a larger server network of over 2,000 servers in 90 plus countries, whereas VyprVPN only has 700 servers in 65 countries. And doesn't work with third-party servers, so you'll have more of a variety with ExpressVPN. Next, in terms of customer support, which you know is very important to me, ExpressVPN wins hands down. With a responsive 24/7 live chat, ticket system, and tutorials, you should be able to find out the answer you need to any question pretty quickly. Now, VyprVPN claims to have 24/7 live chat, but when I tested it, I was told to send an email instead. They also have a ticketing system, but that can take quite some time until you hear back from them. So they say they have it, but it doesn't quite work the way you want it to. And as far as ease of use, I found that they were both pretty easy to use. They will both offer to connect you to recommended servers based on your location, but you can also choose a location of your choice pretty easily. Now, in terms of pricing, VyprVPN is much cheaper than ExpressVPN with the starting price of only $1.67 per month and supports up to 30 devices per license. ExpressVPN, on the other hand, has a starting price of $6.67 and supports up to just 5 devices. But the good news is both VPNs come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, ExpressVPN gives users an extra 3 free months if they use a coupon link, which I'll include in the description below. So despite Vypr having slightly lower prices, I still ranked ExpressVPN higher because of the better value it offers. So which VPN should you go for? Well, if you aren't afraid to spend a little bit more money for a quality product, then I think your best option is ExpressVPN. Plus, ExpressVPN has a wider range of services included in their basic package, including the Chameleon protocol as opposed to Vypr, where you'd have to purchase their premium package for that. Plus, Vypr doesn't allow torrenting or P2P downloads, and ExpressVPN does, making this a pretty easy choice in my opinion. Now, ExpressVPN is consistently one of the best VPNs that I've tested. So it should come as no surprise that VyprVPN was outmatched when I put these two through identical tests. So I'll go ahead and put a link to my full review of each VPN in the description below if you're interested in hearing more. And I'll also include a discount link I have for you to save you some more money. If you're interested in trying out ExpressVPN yourself, click that link and save some money. So don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and drop a comment or question below, and feel free to subscribe for more videos on VPNs. And I'll see you next time.